Jack Chapman with Auto Repair Shop Success. Today I want to expand on process. Recently, I gave you the anagram of profit relies on completing every single step. So today, I want to introduce PARP. PARP stands for Prepare, Audit, Rehearse, and Present. And it's the way that we enforce our processes. So let's look at Prepare. This is as simple as building a work order or doing an inspection. We use the 3 C's to build it out, and we prepare to speak with the customer about our findings. When we audit, we then read over the history, previous recommendations, and ensure that the work order is accurate before we move forward. Now we rehearse, and this is the secret sauce. We role play that work order prior to speaking with the customer. This will ensure the best results, so work together to get this done. And finally, present. This is where we're actively having a conversation about our findings with the customer. Remember, we're not selling, we're educating. Be sure to ask and answer questions to ensure that they understand the why. Folks, I hope you're using and enjoying our content. Continue to follow and like if you are. If not, join us on social media or reach out by website or phone. And as always, we can't wait to see you.